How's it going, you guys? So I wasn't even gonna make a video about this until somebody asked in the comments of my taping with mesh tape video, what is that thing, the dust attachment that I had for mixing up quicksets with? That was really bad words. For collecting the dust while mixing powdered substances in buckets. Really struggling here, you guys. This is a fancy little Festool tool that got sent to me, and I'm pretty sure they were actually only trying to promote this tool, and in order to use this, they sent me a whole drill that I'm not ready to make a video about, and this like Viking-esque mixing paddle. This thing is so heavy. So heavy duty. There's some cool things about this drill. I'm not ready to make a video about it. But anyways, yeah, there's this thing. And I think, you know, of all the Festool tools you could buy, I'd say most tradesmen could probably afford this one. I don't know how much it costs. There's no link. I'm not making a commission from this. You know, they send me free tools from time to time. But this one I genuinely thought might actually be of use for a lot of you guys because it's probably going to be pretty cheap. You can attach it to any old bucket like so. I'm making it look really hard, but it's pretty easy. And I didn't even use my Festool vacuum because I didn't have it on site. I just taped this up to it and it worked really good. As you guys can see while I mix up this quickset, like there was no dust. So it was very effective. You don't need to invest in the whole line of tools to use it. You could probably just get some of those you know, couplers that'll change the size of your hose, or maybe the hose you have will already work for this. Either way, I think this is gonna be a really good tool for a lot of, you know, drywallers or tile setters, anybody who mixes up a lot of bags of powder on a regular basis in buckets and has a functioning vacuum on site. So anybody who meets those criteria is going to be able to benefit from something like this, and unless you just don't care, right? You know, but it was pretty cool to like not wear a mask while I'm mixing up mud, which I in all honesty don't do very often, but you guys have seen me, I always do my bandits thing. So I didn't have to like pretend like I was doing something for dust control. It just actually did it. And that's about it, you know? I don't really have anything more to say about it. Like, it worked really well. It's probably affordable. And yeah, it'll work good for mixing up more bags of powder. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. That's all I have to say. It's just a quickie, nothing major. Yeah, time for me to... It's actually time for me to go home. I'm not doing any more work at the lope. I was watching mud dry today. Next week I come back, sand, paint, and I'm gonna start the flooring. So I'm looking forward to that. Hope you guys are doing well out there, and yeah, till the next video.